We are in the Rheingau in Germany talking about the Balthasar estate, and the wine that we have here is from 2014, and it's a Riesling Trocken. Trocken means dry, so it's a dry Riesling from the Rheingau with a special meaning or a special brand name, which is von Unserm. Von Unserm means from us. So this is an expression that Balthasar, the founder of the estate in 1870, already used to describe the wines coming from his own vineyards. So von Unserm Rheingau Riesling Trocken is our most important dry Riesling from our own vineyards. Very juicy, very dry, crisp, with a fresh acidity, typical for a Riesling coming from a cool climate area like the Rheingau.